Today's Veterans Day, November the 11th, 2024, and this morning we are at Mr. Baron Green's home. He is our elected veteran for this year's Bastard of the Brave.
Marine Corps, total time was 16 years, 3 years in Vietnam, combat, front lines, 0311.
When we picked Mr. Green from a handful of candidates, it was obviously he was the right fit for us to come in here and redo it. We saw it as a complete need for him.
Mr. Green dedicated decades of his life to supporting the freedoms that we do have here in the United States. So for us to be able to give back one small thing to him, like a shower, for me is nowhere near enough. However, it's the least that we can do as a company to be able to say that we can give back, or that we have given back to somebody.
Jacuzzi coming in here does mean the world to me because it's given me a little more independence.
They have a safer area to shower in. We give them safety bars. We beautify their bathroom. And in general, it's all about safety for them.
Coordination's all messed up. Trying to get into the bath. In the beginning, my wife had to help me. To be truthful, it's embarrassing to think that you can't even take a damn shower. It's more involved than you would even think, just to take a shower. But Jacuzzi has mastered this.
The difference that this shower specifically is going to make is quite substantial. I mean, their floor was rotted out pretty bad. It was to the point of it being a safety hazard. It had a lot of water damage. They seemed to have a leak. Their drain was detached from underneath the tub, and all the water that was going down the drain, instead of going into their plumbing, was hitting the floor and running off to the edge of their house where it just sat and ruined the subfloor. We cut out everything. We cut out the bottom plates and we reframed, and we're putting in a whole new subfloor. We're redoing all the plumbing, and we're cutting out even pieces that are past our shower space just to make sure that they have something safe that will, you can't enjoy your product if the floor right in front of your shower falls apart. So we just want to make sure that it's safe for them, and that our final product and what we leave them is something that we can all be proud of, something that they'll love, and something that we can put our names towards, and something that can be warranted for the rest of their lives.
It's tailor-made for me. It's unbelievable.
Instead of climbing into a big deep tub, now he has the easy access right into a shower. He's going to be able to clean his shower easier now. It's going to resist being dirty with all of the antimicrobial built in.
It's got a wand system as well as a rainfall shower head. So it's going to be a big upgrade from the small little wand head that they had originally.
They even have a seat, so if I feel shaky, I can actually sit down and complete my shower and take care of myself independently.
It's lifetime guaranteed. He's going to have that lifetime shower. It's everything that he deserves.
Jacuzzi coming here has made my life a little more worthwhile.
Business isn't always about making that dollar. It's not always about getting our numbers. We're giving back to the community when it's needed. Absolutely free shower, free installation, helping Mr. Green with his install. It gives them a piece of comfort, and also gives me a piece of comfort knowing that we can take care of our veterans.
And I think Jacuzzi hit all the points that will make my life a whole lot better. And I'm very thankful.